I am going to whip up for you today a really amazing drink that is really easy to transport and super quick. You don't have to boil it forever like a lot of different chais, and I think you're going to really like it. Okay, so this recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and cinnamon is just the most amazing herb to help you to digest really fat, protein, all kinds of food. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of coriander. And coriander is a really good spice for helping all the other flavors of, pungent, sweet, all the other flavors of the spices to help it mix together. And then we're going to add cloves. Since they're so strong, we're going to add less clove. And we're going to add 1½ teaspoons. So there's 1, and then ½ teaspoons of clove. And you want all your herbs to be powdered. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger actually. And ginger is amazing. Ginger helps with nausea, any kind of upset stomach, gas, bloating. It's an incredible digestive aid. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. And black pepper is the king of digestive herbs. And so it's very strong and very warming, and it really adds a kick to your chai. Okay, so then we're going to get all those herbs, all those spices all mixed up in here. And then we're going to add 2 cups of honey. Now when I put in honey, I don't put it into a measuring cup because honey is like gold. And so this jar is 4 cups. And so I know that 2 cups is right about half. So I'm just going to eyeball it. I don't like to waste my honey in measuring devices. So that's right about 2 cups. And then we're going to mix it all together really well. And there's your instant herbal chai. So you've got all the spices already mixed into the honey. So it's already sweetened. It's very stable. This honey is good for a year. And so what you want to do is just mix it together really well. And then you can put it into a jar, and you can store the jar. The jar doesn't need to be put in the refrigerator, but you can just put your amazing herbal chai honey into a jar. And there we go. And then when you're ready to drink a cup of herbal chai, what you do is you get a cup of water and you pour boiling water into your cup. And then you take 1 or 2 tablespoons of your chai honey and mix it into your boiling water. And you stir it up really well. Let's see, let's use this spoon. We'll mix it up really well. Here we go. Okay, there we have it. There is your herbal chai honey that it stores really well. And it lasts in this jar for up to a year, and you just take out a tablespoon or 2 of the chai honey and mix it into hot water, and you have instant chai.